Now children, we will copy format of this list. Okay, there is a list of operating system Linux, DOS and macOS. Okay, so this formatting, this also can be copied. So now you see list I selected. Now selected format painter tool, and when you apply this, okay, so you can see bulleted list, that also has been copied. Okay, with same color, same bullets. Okay, I hope now you understood how to copy format. Okay, format can be copied through the format painter tool. Okay, here is format painter tool. You have to remember these things. Okay, format painter tool, it's a part of home tab. Here is home tab. Okay, and clipboard group, this is clipboard group, and format painter, it's a part of home tab. Okay, so you have to remember this. You can be asked which tool belong to which tab. Okay, so now this is done. Next topic is given to create superscript and subscript. Okay, superscript, it is a special text. Okay, superscript, it's a special text which we show in our text differently. Okay, sometime it is needed that the topic which is very important and everything should notice that. Okay, so we present that topic, that word, that text in different style. Okay, so it can be done through the subscript and superscript tools. Okay, it is quite easy, everyone can do this. Okay, now you see here, you can see every word, it is on the same line. Okay, this is called baseline. Okay, now if I have to make this text operating system, I have selected this. Okay, subscript. Okay, so subscript, this is subscript button, clear? So when I'll click this one, no? So you can see here the difference has appeared. Now what is the difference? Text has become smaller rather than other, and it has gone below the baseline. You can see it has gone below the baseline. Understood? So when you are needed to show particular text differently, okay, so this feature can be applied. Okay, this is MS Word's feature, making the text subscript or superscript. Okay, so the text which appears below the baseline, that is called subscript, and the text which appear above the baseline is called superscript. Now you can see I selected here text software. Okay, selected and this is the superscript button. Okay, you can see here I'm taking camera closer to the superscript button. Okay, it is written X with power 1. Okay, so this is superscript button. Okay, so when we click this button, no, you can see change appeared. Means that text software, now it is above the baseline and its size get reduced, isn't it? So this is the feature of subscript and superscript. So sometime we are needed to do this when we have to make our text, we have to show our text in document differently. Okay, so superscript and subscript, I think you understood it. Okay, text which appear below the baseline, that is your subscript, and the text which appear above the baseline, that is superscript. And here you can see in font group, home tab, font group, this is font group, and this X button, this is subscript button, and this one is superscript button. Okay, so here it is superscript and subscript. I hope you understood. I can repeat it here. Again, I am repeating that process. You see, first of all, you select the text which you want to change. You want to change into subscript. Okay, so select that first, then go to the subscript button, and you can see the change. Okay, it will create smaller text, smaller in size and below the baseline. Okay, and here Windows 8, if I select this one and click on the superscript button, so immediately that selected text will go above the baseline and will create superscript. Clear? I hope you understood this. Okay, this is given page number 29, typing superscript and subscript. Okay, now in next video I will explain you about editing, how to move text, how to copy text. Okay, spelling and grammar correction we will do in next video. Okay, till then, bye.